What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to your daily Ethereum update. In this video we'll talk about Ethereum, we'll talk about the technicals, which there is some things we need to talk about and I need to tell you. But we'll also talk about some fundamentals. I think that's necessary and also valuable to you. So let's get right into it. Right now, Ethereum, as you can see, yesterday we hit a new local top right here at around 1611. Not much higher than what we did the day before. Then we touched 1600, and that's really our main resistance level. As you can see, we're now in this big key level between 1550 and 1670, and we're still going up. I mean, as you can see, just we'll start a little bit with technicals, then we'll jump over to fundamentals, and then we'll talk about technicals again to kind of lay out the structure. But you can see, for example, that there's this very minor key level around 1575, and we have been respecting it sometimes and sometimes also not, but it is a level we broke above just now. So there are minor bullish breakouts, and just in general what you can see is that we're making higher lows, right? Usually that's a bullish confirmation and that's a bullish sign. However, if we talk about the fundamentals, there's two things which I really think you should know, two things that could really burst our bubble and destroy our dreams for a moment at least. First thing is the Federal Reserve. Right now, dollar strength index is bullish for crypto. It's falling again, it's still in a downtrend. Inflation rate is also dropping, but what we need is a change in monetary policy by the Federal Reserve. And I say this all the time. I mean, I probably sound like a broken record player to you, but it's the truth. If they do not change the monetary policy, if they do not say anything about it, then we will crash down. We'll drop down to 1500, find some support there, and drop down to at least 1400 and maybe even lower. So be prepared for that. And the other thing that could happen is Digital Coin Group, which most of you might know, but they're still in trouble. It's the second biggest venture capital in crypto. They have a lot of tokens, they have a lot of Bitcoin. If they go down, it's a huge problem. The crypto market is going to crash. So these two things could really still spoil our fun. And whether DCG is going to fall, I mean, I don't know. Who am I, right? But it's I definitely do follow all the developments, and I will tell you about it in these Bitcoin and Ethereum videos. So for now, on the short term, I'm not too worried about it, but it is something that could happen. They could fall. Genesis Global, which is their lending unit, could definitely fall, and if they fall, DCG is in huge problems. All right, so we're probably going into bankruptcy, which is also has some bullish aspects for crypto because coins cannot be sold. But altogether, it's just bad news. It's just bad sentiment and bad news again. I think it would even be bigger than the FTX crash, because we have recovered from the FTX crash already, right? But yeah, those two things are things to worry about. I don't try to spread fear, but I think you should know it. And then on the short term, as I said, dollar strength index is still dropping down, also to kind of end on the positive note. And Ethereum is definitely showing bullish confirmations on the technical side. So what I still expect for now is that at some point we will be able to break above 1600. And the moment that happens, even though it's just another level in this bigger key area, I do think that the moment we actually are able to break above 1600, that we'll have a short rally up to this level here at around 1670. That's my price target. From there, I'll see you again. We could definitely also get towards 1760, but we'll first try to find resistance at 1670, and then from there, we'll kind of discuss how we will get there and if we can really still get there. So that's my take on Ethereum for today. If you do have any questions, as always, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.